going to show you guys how to download ringtones using Cydia. So yeah, you go into Cydia and then you wait for it to load up. It takes a few seconds. Alright, now that it's downloading, you want to go down here to where it says sections and click there. Let it reload again. Alright, then you want to scroll. Oh, my phone shut down. Alright, then you want to scroll down to where it says ringtones right here. Click on it. And then there's a bunch of ringtones here, as you can see. And you could just download any one you want. So I'll just I'll download, just to show you guys, I'll download animal sounds and just click install up there. Confirm it. Alright, let this load again. And once it downloads, you go into, you want to go to settings and we'll go to ringtones, but I'll show you guys. Alright, it's done loading. You could return to Cydia. Then you could go home. You can go to settings. Sounds. And then go here. And then scroll down and look for animal ones that I just downloaded. See, there's a chicken wrap. I'll show you what that one's like. And then there's a bunch of other ones like coyote, crickets, Canadian geese, a bunch of stuff. So I hope that was a helpful video, Mr. iPhone 101. And please, if you have any comments, go down. And thank you for watching my video, and goodbye.